1, 2, 3. Okay.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hi. Hi. So, I am up wide awake. Maybe not wide awake, I am a little tired, but unable to sleep. So, I'm awake. It's almost 11:30. It's like 11 something. I don't know what time it is. It's 11 something. And I am preparing to fly out to Houston in the morning. I am currently babysitting, waiting for the parentals to come back because, yeah, I'm just babysitting. You know, that's what I do. I have to be at the airport at 5:30. My flight leaves at 7. I normally don't get to the airport on time, but due to COVID and all that good stuff, and I've never been to this airport before, I'm gonna get there when they tell me to get there so I can see how TSA operates and check my bag. I'm pretty sure it's overweight. Make sure they don't throw my snacks away. I just had to unpack my suitcase and kind of repack it because I realized that I packed a lot of summer clothes. A lot of winter clothes, and I'm going to a place where it currently feels like summer. It's like 20 something degrees here in Virginia, and it's like 80 something degrees in Texas. So I took out majority of my sweatpants. I left a few pair in there so I could like lounge around and travel in when I come back. And then I also forgot to pack my makeup, so yeah. And then I also forgot that you can't have like full-size items in your carry-on. So I had like full-size lotion bottles and perfume and stuff, but that's only because I had like my spend a night bag because I've been babysitting all week. So I had full-size bottles and stuff so I could use it during the week. So I just had to unpack my suitcase and put all that in there and sit on it, and it barely zipped up, but we got it done. I think I almost busted the zipper, but it didn't bust, so I guess we're good. I've never been to Texas before, but my person decided to up and leave me with her whole family almost a year ago today. And I've only seen them like one time. Well, yeah, seen them one time since they moved, and that was on Christmas Day. So I am excited to fly out to go see them and spend some time with them for a couple of weeks because it's been way too long. And it's very difficult to go from seeing people just about every day to not seeing them at all. So I'm excited to unplug and go off the grid for a few weeks and hopefully just relax around people that just really love me. Well, people that I feel really love me and genuinely want to spend time with me and want to see me do well for a few weeks, and to finally breathe. That's what I'm looking most for. That's what I am most looking forward to. I'm looking forward to it. It's been a hard few weeks, few months. It's been a hard year, but things have been a lot more intense here recently, so this trip could not have come at a better time. Couldn't have. I'm just tired, so I'll see y'all when I get to the airport. Just landed in Charlotte, and my next flight is leave until 11:55. So I am going to find some food and sure it's heating, but it's like 8 o'clock now, so we got here a little early. Left late. I don't know how that works, but yeah, Charlotte. Not in a rush. I don't have to run through the airport, so I'm grateful for that. But here we are. Forgot to update y'all. Got Burger King. I don't even be eating like that, but I was getting a little nauseous on the plane earlier. And I tried to go to sleep. I mean, I did go to sleep, but I needed something on my stomach to settle it. And my next plane leaves at 11, and it's like 8:50 now. Excuse me. So I'm currently watching New Zion Temple and eating my little croissant and hash browns while this lady stares at me while I'm eating.
Attention all travelers.
I hope she heard
It is
me.
important that you keep a close watch on.
So I went to change my shoes because I was looking like a bum walking through the airport with my Crocs and white tube socks on. So I wanted to look like somebody in case I met somebody in the airport, you know. Also, it's warmer in Texas, so bird Crocs probably wouldn't be the move. Yeah, I don't want my feet to be sweating and whatnot. So, yeah, always my favorite part of the airport is the moving walkway. It's given very much America's Next Top Model. I want to be on top. My gate is A2. So, wow, it's right here. I was about to say, it's all the way down there. It's right there. So, yeah, I got some time. I have some time before my flight takes off. I've been watching New Zion Temple, and my church event starts at 10. I'll have some time to watch that. I just finished dancing in the bathroom, so that was fun. So, boarded my flight, and have a whole empty row to myself with a window seat. And spoke too soon. So I was watching the live, but my signal went out as soon as the choir came up, so that's fun. I'm just gonna sleep because I'm very tired, or maybe I'll watch a movie, I'm not sure. I don't know, but I am tired. I'm tired of thinking, wish I could turn my brain off, but it's racing at this moment, so. Next stop, Houston. Just landed in Houston. The airport is ugly. Excited to get my bag and find my family because I miss them and I'm tired and I think I'm hungry. Not sure. But yeah, flight was good. My neighbor was super sweet. We snoozed on and off and talked on and off. She was really nice. I normally don't like to talk when I'm on the plane. I just want to sleep, but it was a good conversation, so all is well. I don't even know where I left off in the vlog, to be honest. But I landed, grabbed my bags, and I ran into Reginae Carter. I was severely underwhelmed, so I did not fangirl, but I knew I'd recognize her face when I saw it. So that was fun. Got all the views on the way here that I forgot to vlog, but I'm here for a little bit, so I'm sure I'll get some clips of that stuff later. And I just came and took a 3+ hour nap As you can see, I have bags on my eyes because I'm very tired. I am very tired. There is a 1 hour time difference. Time went back, so back home is an hour ahead. And I can tell. So it's still early, but my body feels like it's kind of late. It's almost 9 back home, almost 8 here. I'm just tired, but I'm in Texas, and yeah, I'm here. Made it safe.